So Mama's been in labor for a couple of days now, and it's been a long haul.
Yeah, sick of it.
Yeah, I mean,
One
she's
thing
getting
to
very
get.
tired out and kind of a little bit discouraged, but this is the way it can be with a long labor. So we're going to start by Faylene introducing some comfort measures and some strategic plans for how we can help her progress more. And then I will come in and have some, so we'll tag team on that. All right. So right now, where are you at exactly?
I'm just hanging out, just waiting.
You're just waiting.
Yeah.
And you've been kind of, has it been getting strong and then going back down
kinda
again?
Sporadic. It's like it'll come, but then it does.
Do you know what position your baby's in?
No.
No? Have
I
you
know it's
ever,
head down, but I don't
okay.
know.
Have you ever heard of ROBOZO?
No.
Okay, because that's something I would like to try once Faylene's done, unless Faylene wants to try it. I know Faylene knows different things than I do with the ROBOZO. So.
Right. Yes, me too.
So
I would like to try that.
I'll let Faye take the lead on the initial part of this, and then I'll come in.
I noticed that your toddler's been around a lot.
Yes.
Is that comforting to you, or do you think that that's slowing you down? Because we can have someone watch the toddler in another area
Yeah.
if it will help you to relax and to feel more secure. Or if it makes you feel better to have her here, we'll have someone in charge of watching her right here.
Okay.
We want to be sure you're comfortable.
Okay. Yeah. Somebody can watch her, take her. She's
Mhm.
probably a little restless in this room
If
Yeah,
you need
because
it.
she's been with me for a while.
Okay. And we'll do that. And I want to try a couple of moves with you, and then maybe you can get some sleep,
Just
or things will move on. Either one will be really good at this point. Hello, bears. Hi. You want to come with me? Are you ready to meet your new sibling? Oh, what a snuggly little girl.
So sometimes one of the big things with a mom can be helping make sure that the stress is off her.
Baby?
And if she has other children there that need care, that can be something that would be your job to help with.
Yeah. Come on. Let's go. Go play.
Okay, and I'm going to come in. Now, I have an idea that we could really get things moving. You've been laying down for a while, so
Yeah.
you feel like you could actually get up and do
Yeah.
some active movement?
Yeah.
Okay, so why don't we get you on your hands and knees, and let's start with that, facing that direction. And then I'm going to use this scarf, which this is an ancient Guatemalan custom called the ROBOZO. And you can use any scarf. It doesn't have to be anything special, just a long scarf is best, one that's quite strong. And there's all different ways that you can do ROBOZO, but today, because my intuition on this, and I'm trusting my intuition on this, is that her baby's actually in a posterior position. That's my intuition, okay? And so I'm going to jiggle the baby into, I'm just going to, sorry, do you mind if I just feel your belly?
No.
So yeah, the baby is on this side. The back of the baby is on this side, and it's right around here. It's not fully posterior. I can just feel the back there, you know?
Yeah, my back's been hurting a lot.
So what I'm gonna do, has your back been hurting?
Yeah.
Because that's a definite sign too. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna jiggle, 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 and then I'm gonna jerk it this way. Can you make sure that that one's in frame too?
I was jerked.
And so this is called the candy wrapper. Now I'm gonna wrap it real snug around her. Now you can do this quite vigorously. Most moms will say, when you do it. So we're gonna jiggle. And because the back of the baby, and you can get the dad to do this, or the doula, or the partner, whoever's around, right? Now, what I'm gonna do, because I know the back is on this side, I'm gonna give it a little jerk at the end of each jiggle. Jiggle, 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 jerk. Jiggle, 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 jerk. Jiggle, jiggle, is that okay? Jerk. If the mom tolerates it between contractions, you can just do nice little jiggles. And even sometimes during the contraction, Mom will let you do it. And that will really help baby jiggle into a good position. That's my jiggle jerk candy wrapper. How you doing, Mama?
That felt good.
You feel? Okay, how about we switch
We'll
back
stop and
to
start anew.
Faye,
Okay.
who's gonna get